people. Right about now, I am in Super Steve Costume Collections at Bukuru Express. As a matter of fact, this is where I do my rentals. I rent my costumes for whatever traditional wears you see me use in my videos, or anytime you see me use any kind of BEROM costume. It is at this shop that I pick them from. So do well to patronize Steve's shop. As you can see, he has a lot of costumes, different languages, different cultures. You can decide to pick any of this for your weddings, your send-off, your any kind of event. Okay, and this is the Steve himself. Yeah, this is Steve. All right, so kindly patronize Steve. Okay, bye. I remain yours, Susan Zam.